Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automatic out-of-office vacation reply in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you're away from work and want to ensure everyone who contacts you knows you're unavailable and when you'll be back. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to begin setting up your automatic reply. To get started, we need to access your email tools. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This will open the email composition window where you'll create your out-of-office message. Take your time here to craft a professional and clear message explaining your absence, when you'll return, and who to contact in case of urgent matters. This message will be what everyone receives automatically, so make sure it includes all the necessary information. Once you've finished composing your out-of-office email, we need to save it as a template. From the email composition window, click on File, then select Save As. A File Explorer window will appear, and from here you can choose a destination folder where you wish to save this email template. This is an important step, so before clicking Save, make sure to click on the Save As type drop-down menu and choose Outlook Template. Then click on Save. Your template is now stored and ready to be used for automatic replies. Now, head back to your Outlook dashboard where your inbox and other mail folders are located. From here, click on the File tab again. You'll see a section labeled Manage Rules and Alerts. Click on Manage Rules and Alerts to proceed. A rule window will appear, and from here, click on the New Rule option. This will launch the Rule Wizard, which will guide us through creating your automatic out-of-office reply. From the Setup Wizard, click on Apply Rule on Message I Receive under the Start from a Blank Rule section. Then click on Next. Now we need to set the condition that will trigger this automatic reply. From the listed options, click on the checkbox that says Where My Name Is in the To or CC box, then click on Next. This ensures that the automatic reply only goes out when you're directly addressed in an email. On the next step, select Reply using a specific template. To add in the template we created earlier, click on the checkbox and you'll see a template selector appear at the bottom part of the window. Click on the A Specific Template link and a File Explorer will appear. Simply locate the template we created earlier, select it, and then click on Next. You can skip the exemptions section if you wish, or if you want to add certain criteria such as exempting specific people or domains from receiving the automatic reply, simply select from the listed checkboxes. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Finish. From now on, every time an email has your name in the To or CC field, Outlook will automatically send this template as a reply, ensuring everyone knows you're out of the office. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automatic out-of-office vacation reply in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.